Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 timing chain noise issue and what could be causing it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Timing chain noise in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as rattling, ticking, or metallic clattering sounds coming from the front of the engine, especially during cold starts, idle, or light acceleration. Verified owner reports and service information show that timing chain noise concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine design, mileage, oil maintenance, and component wear. One verified and frequently reported cause involves timing chain stretch or wear. Over time, the timing chain can elongate due to normal wear, causing slack that results in rattling noises, particularly during startup before oil pressure fully builds. Another confirmed cause relates to timing chain tensioner issues. Hydraulic or mechanical tensioners rely on proper oil pressure to maintain chain tension. Wear, internal leakage, or delayed oil pressure can allow the chain to momentarily loosen, producing noise during startup or idle. Timing chain guide wear or damage is also a documented factor. Plastic or composite guides can wear, crack, or break down over time, allowing increased chain movement and noise. This issue is more commonly reported as mileage increases. Oil-related factors have also been reported. Low oil level, degraded oil quality, or extended oil change intervals can reduce lubrication and tensioner performance, increasing the likelihood of timing chain noise. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include oil viscosity not meeting manufacturer specifications, cold temperature effects on oil flow, or related valve train noise being mistaken for timing chain sounds. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper inspection and diagnosis. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include verifying oil level and condition, addressing oil maintenance issues, inspecting timing chain tensioners and guides, and replacing worn timing components when excessive wear or noise is confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that some Ford F-150 timing chain noise complaints are resolved through improved oil maintenance, while others require timing component replacement. Outcomes vary by engine type, model year, and how early the issue is addressed. In conclusion, Ford F-150 timing chain noise is typically linked to chain wear, tensioner performance issues, guide degradation, or oil-related factors. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.